We saw that we have a problem with the script element, but notice that when you are looking or you are searching for script in next.js, what you will see is that next.js has a script component, okay? This is a script component. You might already know that in next.js, you should replace the image, the img HTML element with next.js image component, and the same goes for script. So if you have a script element like I do, okay, you should, what is suggested by next.js is to use the script component. And the script component, as you see here, is an extension of the HTML script element, but it brings more functionality because it lets developers decide when to load the script. So sometimes the script is not, it can be loaded at the end of the application. So the UI may become more ready for use before it. And sometimes you need to invoke it very early. So using script, you have few strategies, okay? And it appears here. You set the strategy, okay? Here you put the script, the SRC, and the strategy, and there are 4 strategy before interactive, meaning that load before the page is interactive if the script is very important. After interactive, this is default. And lazy load during idle time. This is when the script is can be postponed to the end. And this is what we are going to use.